So another area I really enjoy, one of the things I really enjoy about the presentations, is you never know what you're going to get. It's not in tech. You know, you could have a hair salon, you could have an AI business, and I like the fact that we invite and encourage a diversity of ideas. And to me, that's exciting.
I think it's so meaningful to go through all the workshops and meeting all the possible mentors out there and being able to see your startup, your business idea, you know, really work through the stages, a little step at a time. And I think it's so meaningful to, you know, from idea all the way going through all the workshops, through the climb, and then seeing that final product at the end.
I love to see when a student or, you know, finalist is really obviously passionate about what they're talking about, and that comes across, you know, in the way that they engage with their audience, how comfortable they are speaking about their, you know, product or service, and that's always what I look forward to, is something that stands out in that way.
Well, I think the biggest thing is for the experience. I've never had an experience like this, and even though I talk about my business all the time, being able to actually come in front of real business people and just tell them about my business and how much I love it and why I want it to grow, I think it's just such a great experience, and it's helping me learn so much.
It really encouraged me to get focused and strategic in what I'm doing, the outcome I'm providing, who I'm providing it for, and how I'm presenting it. And so now I have an extremely clear picture of what I'm doing with my work with ProList, and it makes it repeatable. So now I can go ask for funding whenever I need to.
Practice, obviously, practice a lot. Really know your business inside and out and just be comfortable talking about it. I know people can get kind of self-conscious about like, oh, I don't really want to talk about myself, but you know, it's really good practice in order to be able to have those smooth conversations, because the more you do it, the more natural it is. And when it comes to go time, when you actually are either pitching in a competition like this or for real funding, you know, it just becomes second nature.
For me, my passion is seeing students grow and taking that next step in their career. I think there's a lot of courage involved in saying that you want to follow a dream, that you want to follow a passion, but then actually going through that and taking the really difficult steps and the challenging moments where you get critical feedback, you have to rethink or pivot an aspect of your idea. And seeing students work through that process in real time and come out on the other side with a business idea that they can actually take to the market, there's nothing more rewarding than that.
Getting to fully develop my project as more than just a dream, I've actually gotten to really work out the numbers, how it would be viable for the future, and where I see myself in the world.
You know, really just get after it. You know, if you have an idea, get involved. Go to the pitch night competition events. Get in the classes, get your education, understand what's going to move this forward. You never know what's going to happen.